Good day YouTube, this is Marlon again. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this or unpacking this package which I purchased again from lazada.com. This is a portable or micro keyboard with touchpad. Purchased it at Lazada for 758 pesos. Okay, so let's get on with the unboxing. I will give also give my impressions on this one, and I will also do the testing. Okay. They have a tough packaging out here, so they have lots of double pack. Okay. Inside we have another bubble pack. Okay. Another wrapping. This is a lot of bubble pack. Oh my god. Okay, there it goes. At last. In the package we have this information from the vendor, from the seller. There it is. Okay, let's keep that away. And we've got our H9 mini keyboard. Okay, now if you can see the information. Portable, elegant, and lifestyle choice. I bought this one because I recently bought a smart TV and want to test it in there. Okay, the world's most mini wireless keyboard mouse combo. Okay, let's open it. Inside the box you got another box. Okay, then let's open it again. Inside we can see the actual keyboard. Okay, feels nice. The buttons are tacky and I like that. Okay, we have the information up down arrow. Okay, left click for single tap, then double tap scroll, then double tap for right click. Okay, on the back we got the power button. Don't know if that powers. Oh, it's powering up. Okay, let's turn it off for a while. Then on the back case we can see the battery and the receiver. We got a BL5C in here. On other videos on YouTube I saw that there's a AA or AAA battery option down here, but this one I think doesn't have. But this battery, I think it will last long. I hope so. And we've got the receiver. Okay, got the receiver, and I don't know what this is. Okay, let's just put it in. I will just do the testing later on my cell phone. Okay, let's power on. I will close it again. The feel, it feels nice. Feels nice. It's smooth. Okay, in the package we have this little pack. I think this is where we can keep it when we don't use it. This is not an ordinary plastic. This is, I don't know what's the texture of this or what's the material, but that's it. And we've got the USB charger, USB cable here, and what's inside is okay, nothing, just a foam and the user manual as usual. Okay, it said you can use it at a PC, an Android box, an Xbox, iPad. It has mini keyboard, partial keys, instructions. Okay, let's just keep that for a while. Okay, I'll just throw it away. I'll just keep it, by the way. Okay, inside the box again. Okay, well, I will come back. Maybe I will have a lower resolution of video after, because I will be testing this here at the phone that I'm currently using right now, and I'll be using my iPhone to record the testing. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and I will be testing this mini keyboard, mini H9 keyboard with my phone using a OTG cable. Don't know if you can see it right. Using an OTG cable. Oops, sorry. So I will be getting the receiver from the back. Put the cap back again. Okay. I'll be putting this. Let's focus it. It's an OTG cable. Okay. I'll be putting it in here, and I will be connecting this to my cell phone. Okay, as you can see, there's a notification up there. And what does it said? It said mouse connected. Yeah, now we're in business. I'm gonna be turning on, and there it is. I don't know if you can see it correctly, but it's moving. Wait. Okay. Oops. Wait. There it is. There's the mouse moving in there. Okay, double click. Well, it's pretty hard to use it on the phone. Okay, it's moving. Then another one. It's scrolling through the icons, and okay, let's try with the File Explorer. It said double tap or right click. Okay, and then it's a bit slow on the movement, but I think it's fine. Okay, well, wait, I'll go for a movie and I will press the play button. SD card. Okay, I'm just testing it in here. It has the volume button. It's working, looks good. And what's this? It's the menu. It's a right click menu. Okay. Home. Oops, what's that? I accidentally clicked this one. Okay. Let's try another one. Open it with MX Player. Okay. Volume button. Wait a minute. Oops, sorry about that. Escape. It's working. Well, I will test it in my smart TV afterwards. Oh, by the way, I see this one. I think it's mentioned on the manual that this will be the speed of the scroll. So let's see. Also the backlight. Don't know if you can see it clearly, but it's lighting. I'll turn up the light so that you can see it clearly. Wait. Okay, there it is. Nice color. There's a response LED every time you press something. Okay, I'll turn back the lights. Okay, so that's it. Wait, another one. I'm gonna try the speed. Okay, right now it's moving not too fast. And I will click this. Another one. Oh, yeah, there's a response. Okay, so that's it. I'll be testing this to my smart TV and I will update you again. Maybe on what happened. This is the volume also. Volume and volume. You need to go forward here. I don't know where's the brightness. Well, I will know it.
You know what Kronos is capable of.
Okay, bye.
Capable of saving
That's
Earth
it.
from self-destruction.
The H9 mini keyboard from Lazada.com. Let's escape this one. Bye, YouTube. Please also if you have any comments, suggestions, or anything that you can say about this and information regarding this product, you can just send me a message or you can post a comment below and I will reply as soon as I can. Bye.